She has a little skylight too.
Whoa, so it's raining. You get rainbow when you're going poopy.
Really? Whoa, whoa. This is a cool little place to have. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh.
Out my house.
See ya.
Whoa! Hey! I need that to go right here.
You're they're playing with their mother.
Here's your chair to sit in, but there's only one problem.
Aw, don't
She's like, yeah, I'll touch her, right? It's a little tap with dinner. Hey. Hi, nice to meet you. Yeah, we'll see you later.
Hey, Jamly. Oh my gosh, I look like a wreck. So, today is kickoff of my birthday week, and my kids are just not letting me get away with not like celebrating my birthday. So Jay came up, and we went and got stuff to make sandwiches, and we got some stuff to make drinks. Got me a bottle of wine. I think I've had one glass out of the bottle because I opened up the wine and had a glass of wine when he was here. And we just hung out. We all had a really fun time, and the kids got to laugh with him and make jokes, and Sarah actually picked him up and carried him around the living room. So, which I think was surprising to him, but we all had a blast. It was so much fun. So, yeah, it was definitely a nice little celebration and whatnot. And he also took the iPads with him because he brought one with him so he could try to transfer my stuff from my iPad into it, but it didn't work. So he's gonna take it and see if he can't get it fixed and running. What did they chew up? Oh my gosh. Casey keeps stealing stuff from the rooms, and Sarah just found what she took. What the heck is that? Oh, she took it out of the bathroom, the loofah. Yep. So somebody left the bathroom door open, so the dog got it. So you have to clean up her mess, because that's gonna blow everywhere.
I'm gonna be out here all night then.
Just grab a grocery bag and just scoop it up right there.
Like, just stand on top of right here. Look at this.
What?
That looks like out of the movie. Look at the movie.
Oh, wow.
You see it?
Uh-huh.
Look at that.
That's so cool. What? Wow, that's some weird looking clouds because it's like all clear over here.
Like what? Where did that come from?
I don't know, but that's really neat. Right? And the wolves come out.
Pretty much.
That's pretty cool
Became numb
looking.
because I literally slipped across
But
the
yeah.
kitchen.
So,
Trying to
go
get out.
grab a grocery bag and then just pick all this up.
My leg, like down at
So-
my ankle hurts because I slipped going through the kitchen.
Oh man, good job. So anyway, I'll see if Taylor wants to come help you pick that up. So
Where's the grocery bag?
under the sink. Okay. Hey Taylor, do you want to come help pick up the mess that Casey just made of your loofah?
What?
She got your loofah out of the bathroom.
Are you
And
freaking kidding me?
no, and it's all shredded out there.
Dead dog.
No, she's put up. Somebody left the bathroom door open and Casey shredded your loofah to smithereens. Anyway, I am gonna I'm gonna sit and watch this movie that I picked out. No, Godric, stay down. Nice try though. It's called Maggie, or Maggie or something like that, and it's with Arnold Schwarzenegger and I cannot remember the young lady's name again. But anyway, it's a really good movie, and I started watching it yesterday, but then didn't finish. I had other things going on, so I'm gonna finish watching that. So if you guys like today's video, give it that thumbs up. If you guys haven't subscribed yet and you're new, click that subscribe button. Come back, see us again whenever. We vlog it, whether things are good, bad, or sometimes even boring. And hey guys, thanks again for watching. Bye.
You look confused, like, hey, staring at the screen. No, it's gotta stare at you guys, at the lens. My wounds are healing, like, well and stuff. So here, let me.